Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. This is a piece I did. I filmed it, but I did not post it. It was a pour over, and it was over something that had prism pour underneath. And the paint was thick. It's so thick it was cracking all over the place. It bled through. All of the colors, the prism pour colors, bled through, even though that was thick paint. So I don't think I'm going to do anything else with this. What I might do is repurpose it and then just use this as like when I'm doing some of my tiles and stuff to keep my surface clean. So yeah, it's going to get repurposed, but not for painting. So today I want to try something different. I've got some leftover BEHR Decoart. It's a combination of both. And I just want to see what would happen if I swiped it. So I'm going to just do this on a small, I think this is an 8x8. So I'm going to put my colors down after I've. This is the first time I'm trying it, so I have no idea if it's going to work. And if it doesn't, then we'll just do a regular pour on it. But I just wanted to see what would happen if I swiped it. All right. Torch. Here we go. I'm actually painting during the day. That is just, I mean, it doesn't happen very often. So this is really full. I took a lot of my leftover paints and mixed them together, which I don't know if you guys do that at all. But I'm going to put these into paper cups because this is a very small canvas and I don't want to put too much color on it, which I always do anyway. So I'm just going to put a couple colors down and see what happens. Yeah. So we've got a Prussian blue mix. We have a phthalo blue mix, and we have, this is also the Amsterdam Naples yellow red light. And I'm not going to use the purple. This is just a test. Okay, so just a little tiny bit of color. Yeah, right. I'm just curious. This is a Brownie lifter. I got it from Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna swipe right over this, guys. Very lightly. All right, so we do have some cells coming up right away. Now I'm going to tilt it. We've got some lacing, I should say, not cells. That's, I think, that Amsterdam. Oh God, that stuff is like a miracle worker. It's just, and it's just the paint. Yeah, it's just what it does. I'm kind of liking this, guys. I might do this on a bigger piece. Wow. And we'll see what else comes of it too, because we might get some more cells. Because it is, oh God, I'm not even in frame. I keep changing my, wow, this is cool, guys. I keep changing the position of where my camera is. All right, I'm gonna let this set for a minute or two, but guys, I'm liking this a lot. What do you think? Holy jeez. Yeah, I could even tilt it a little bit more. I just wanna make sure there's enough paint off of here. And we're getting more cells too. The lacing is incredible. Oh boy. I think I'll make 2 of these in these colors for these 8x8s. And bring it down a little bit, stretch these cells out a little, and the lacing. I'm gonna put you on time lapse. We are in frame today. Because this was an experiment, I didn't, I just put my puppy pad underneath. I'm gonna do an actual big one here in a little bit, and it'll look more professional. Let me torch this and put you on, there's the torch, put you on time lapse and see if anything else comes of it. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, I really like this one. We are going to do a second one. Uh-oh, looks like there's a big storm coming. Uh-oh. All right, I'm gonna put this aside, let it dry, and I'm gonna do one, I'm gonna do a sister painting of this one, only because I've got the same paints, the same colors, and it would be nice to have a set. Oh, it's gonna storm. So, take this little bad boy here. While you guys were on time lapse, I mixed up some paints for a painting for tonight because I have to paint at night, right? So let's just finish off this. Hopefully it's enough. I'm sure it is. Everything always works out for me like that. I don't know why or how, but it does. Nah, let me try and keep you in frame this time. Yeah, I'm out in my patio. That's where my studio is. So when I get storms, I hear them. All right, it's coming along. So you might hear a little bit of thunder and lightning. It's always fun. All right, I really, really liked that. I want to do a bigger piece with this, the cloud pearl swipe. That's what I'm going to call it, the cloud pearl swipe. So we're going to go with the same color, same order, blah, blah, blah. Just got a little bit of paint left in here. Oops. Yeah, I really like the composition, everything about it. Everything. And this stuff is like magic. Amsterdam, Naples, yellow, red, light. All right, so we're gonna get our, this is from the dollar store, a brownie thing. And I'm not putting any kind of cell activator on it or anything. I'm just going to swipe very lightly. Got to make sure you keep some paint on there. So look at all the cells starting already. Let's move this around a bit. Maybe we'll give it a minute. Let's give it a minute. Then we can move some cells around. Looks like that side's bald now. Ah, there you go. All right, look at those cells there. Beautiful. So I'm gonna do this on a bigger scale, guys. I'm just, I like the results. I like that it still continues to get cells afterwards. So we have cells and lacing. Oh, there comes the thunder. going. Still some paint on there. This one I might even do some enhancements. Some of my cells are getting a little wonky. Let's take it off this side. The more you stretch, the more cells you get. Yeah, this one didn't turn out as well. I think it's because I had a less, well, I shouldn't say that because it's not done yet. I had less base paint on, so these cells got kind of squished, but I'm loving this. That is great. So let me torch and put you on time lapse again. I like time lapse. I think it's fun to just watch it, you know, watch it develop. Ooh. See, these cells are like multicolored cells. Yeah, I might play with this a little bit. Are we in frame? We are. How can we not be? It's a very, very small canvas. All right, I'm putting it on time lapse. Back in a flash. Okay guys, this is, I love them both. I didn't do a whole lot to this, and I did nothing to that. So this is a really easy way to get some pearls and lacing for any of you out there who are struggling. I'm glad I did this. I'm going to do it on a bigger one. These guys are going to go dry, and I'm going to do another pour. I think I might even do a, I don't know if we're going to do a bigger one of this, or I just poured some paints to do a straight pour with a twist. So, but let me take you down for a close-up of these. So here we go. This is the first one, and I just love it. Pearls came out beautifully, and then the lacing. Yeah, it's daytime, so I can't put the flash on right now. It won't work. Look at that. That is one of my favorite parts right there. It's got so much depth and dimension. So that's number one. And here's number two. And just loving it. So I hope this helps you guys out, and yeah, I'll put the recipe for the mix in the description. These guys are, look, how cool is that? Oh, yeah. Is that a bug? No, I don't think so. Where's my finger? Not sure if that was a bug or not. All right, guys. So, mission accomplished. Loving these. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe.